Hi fans, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making pineapple juice, just pineapple juice. And today we'll be making this pineapple juice without any juicer. Keep watching to the end of this video to know how we achieved that juice you see at the beginning of the video. To my new subscribers, thank you, you are welcome. To my old subscribers, thank you for always stopping by. Today we'll be making our pineapple juice without a juicer. First and foremost, we'll be washing our pineapple very clean. As you can see, my pineapple are well washed, cut and diced into smaller chunks and ready for the next process. For this juice, we'll be using our fresh pineapple. Water optional. If your blender can't blend smoothly, you can add a little bit of water to help your blender blend well. I'll be adding in my diced pineapple to the blender to start the blending process. Please keep watching so that you don't miss any stage in this process. Please, if you are watching for the first time and you've not subscribed to my channel, please try as much as you can to click on that subscription button. Subscribe to my YouTube, like, comment. I'll be in the comment section to know your thoughts about this blending process. Please, if you watch closely, I'll be adjusting my blender to my juice point so that it will help it juice very well, that everything will be blended very fine and very juicy. If your blender has that juice point, please adjust it to that point before you continue blending. At this point, we are done blending. We'll be going ahead to strain. You can use your cheesecloth to strain, or if you have a strainer like this, or a strainer that the openings are very close, you can use it for this process. Please be careful while straining so that your juice will not, just as you see now, it poured into the what I was juicing out. I'll be going ahead to juice this for more than 3 times to make sure that there is no rough crumbs inside the juice I'm making. I kept on juicing until I'm sure that the whole shaft is out, there is only the juice left behind. I hope you know that pineapple juice is packed with a lot of health benefits. If you are not aware of that, you can check in my previous video where I made a pineapple juice. As you can see from the video now, I've juiced for more than 2 times. This is the last one. I'm trying to make sure the shaft is separate from the juice. As you can see from the last one I pulled out from the blender, you see that the whole shaft is out, but I kept on straining to make sure everything is nice and fine. But before I forget, if you don't like this the way I juiced it out, or you enjoy it with its poppy, no problem, you can as well drink your juice that way. It's still fresh and very healthy. If you don't want to extract the juice separate, you want to drink it the same way after blending, that's nice and wonderful. For the extract you got from the pineapple, if you want to know what I used it for, go to my comment section, comment and tell me to upload on it, and I will. I'll be in the comment section to know your thoughts over this juice. If you're a new subscriber to this channel, you are welcome. If you are not a subscriber, thanks for always stopping by. As you can see, we have come to the end of this juicing process. and we'll be going ahead to serve. You can add in your ice at this point, but I like drinking my this way. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.